Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous class we have discussed nerve and today we are going to discuss human brain. Okay, the most important part of the human body, brain. First, the brain is covered in a bony case or plate. That plate is known as cranium. Means bony case or plate which cover the brain is called cranium. Brain is actually the part of the central nervous system. Means brain central nervous system का एक part है. Central nervous system consists of two parts, that is brain plus spinal cord. Means brain and spinal cord combinedly form the central nervous system, and in central nervous system today our topic is brain. First, coming toward the cranium, means the bony plate or case which cover the brain is known as cranium. This part is known as cranium, which cover the brain. The most hardest and strongest bone in the human body is cranium, while the most largest bone in the human body is femur, while the most smallest bone in the human body is stapes, that is present in what? In air. The most largest organ of the human body is skin. The most, or we can say largest digestive gland is liver. Okay, now coming toward the membrane which cover the brain. Okay, membrane which cover the brain is known as meninges. Membrane which cover or which enclose the brain is called meninges. Membrane which cover the heart is called we can say pericardium. Membrane which cover the kidney is called peritoneum. Membrane which cover the lung is called pleura. So just like that, membrane which cover the brain is known as meninges. Inside the meninges and inside the brain, a fluid is present. That fluid is known as CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, which protect the brain and neuron from the mechanical and physical stress. This is known as cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, now coming toward the parts or the major division of the brain. There are three main parts of the brain. First one, that is forebrain. Forebrain. Second one है midbrain. Third one है hindbrain. Okay, now coming toward the forebrain. Forebrain. Okay, largest part of the brain is forebrain. ये मीन्स इंसानी दिमाग में फोर ब्रेन ये लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है. There are three sub parts of the forebrain that are cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. जैसा कि आप लोगों को डायग्राम में दिखाया गया है. ओके, फर्स्ट कमिंग टुवर्ड द सेरेब्रम. फोर ब्रेन थ्री पार्ट्स में लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है. अब फोर ब्रेन के अंदर थ्री सब पार्ट है, सेरेब्रम, थैलेमस एंड हाइपोथैलेमस, और सिंपली वी कैन से लिम्बिक सिस्टम. सेरेब्रम एक्चुअली लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द फोर ब्रेन. ये अब लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है, लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ forebrain. Cerebrum is divided into two halves or two half part. First one is that part is known as cerebral hemisphere. Cerebral hemisphere means cerebrum फोर ब्रेन का लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है. इसको दो बराबर हाफ पार्ट्स में तकसीम किया गया है. दैट इज़ नोन एज सेरेब्रल हेमिस्फीयर. हेमी मीन्स हाफ, स्फीयर मीन्स फ्लैश. ओके, सेरेब्रल हेमिस्फीयर एक्चुअली इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट. दैट इज़ नोन एज राइट सेरेब्रल हेमिस्फीयर and left cerebral hemisphere. Okay, both these parts are combined with each other by corpus callosum. Means two halves है या two half parts है. Both half parts are combined with each other by means of a band that is known as corpus callosum. There are two parts of cerebrum that is known as outer part, that is known as cerebral cortex. Means outer part of the cerebrum is known as cerebral cortex. That is composed of what? Gray matter. Okay, what is gray matter? Gray matter is actually formed by two things, that is a cell body and axon. But the axon of this type of neuron which form gray matter is non-myelinated axon. Non-myelinated axon. इसका मतलब ये है कि around the axon there is no myelin sheet. That's why they are known as non-myelinated axon. Okay, the internal part of the cerebrum is cerebral medulla. It is made of what? White matter. That is composed of myelinated axon. Means it is formed of that type of neuron which is covered by what? Which is covered by myelin sheath. Okay, now coming toward the function of the cerebrum. Okay, cerebrum receive the sensory information from the sense organ. Means it receive sensory information from the sense organ. process it and direct some voluntary movement, means direct some voluntary movement. All of you know about the voluntary movement. Movement or action take place under the will of control is known as voluntary movements. इसको हम कहते हैं इरादी अफ़आल और हरकत. Okay, it also store memory for the future. Store memory for the future. Okay, it also responsible for the intelligence and decision making. Decision making. Okay, speech center is also present in the forebrain or means in cerebrum. That is a unique property of human beings. Okay, this was all about the forebrain and the cerebrum. Inshallah, in the next class we will discuss the midbrain and hindbrain in details. Okay, thank you.